welcome back to my channel. Let's talk. This is Kuntan Shah. So, 20 topic is leave high school forever. Means हाई स्कूल को छोड़ दो. हाई स्कूल को छोड़ दिया होगा, लेकिन यहाँ पे ऑथर एक डिफरेंट वे में समझाने को चाहता है कि मोस्ट ऑफ अस फील लाइक वी हैव बीन लेफ्ट स्ट्रेंडेड इन हाई स्कूल फॉर एवर. मीन्स हम अभी भी हाई स्कूल में ही फंसे हुए हैं. स्ट्रेंडेड मीन्स फंसे हुआ. Like something happened there that we haven't never shaken off. मीन्स कुछ तो वहाँ पे हुआ था, वो हम छोड़ नहीं पाए. बिफोर हाई स्कूल, इन आवर अर्लियर एंड मोर carefree childhoods, we were creative dreamers filled with a boundless sense of energy and wonder. स्कूल से पहले हम हमारा चाइल्डहुड में हम कैसे थे कि हम सपने देख रहे थे, क्रिएटिव सपने देख रहे थे और कुछ बाउंडलेस, कोई विदाउट लिमिट हमारी एनर्जी और थिंकिंग पावर थी. बट इन हाई स्कूल समथिंग को टर्न इट अराउंड. हाई स्कूल में कुछ बदल गया. फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम इन आवर लाइव्स वी बिगन फियरिंग व्हाट अदर पीपल वर थिंकिंग ऑफ अस. स्कूल में फिर फर्स्ट टाइम ऐसा हुआ कि अब दूसरे लोग हमारे बारे में क्या सोचेंगे, हो हमको डर लगने लगा. All of sudden, our mission in the life became not to be embraced. Embarrass means शर्म. शर्मजनक कोई भी हम चीज ना करें, ऐसा हमारा मिशन बन गया. We were afraid to look bad, and so we made it a point not to take risk. फिर हमने ऐसा डिसाइड कर लिया कि भाई हम रिस्क नहीं लेंगे. We made it a point not to take risk. We will never forget something that happened to my friend. I will never forget something that happened to my friend Richard Squares in high school. He is now a respected photographer, and I won't need to ask his permission to tell this story about him. Richard and I were walking home from school one day, and all of a sudden he stopped in his tracks. He stopped in his track, his face frozen with horror. I looked at him and asked what was wrong. I thought he was about to suffer some kind of seizure. Seizure means कुछ टेंशन में. He then pointed down at his pant and wordlessly showed me where his belt had missed a loop. I spent the whole day like this, he finally said. It was impossible for him to measure what everybody thought of him as they passed him in the halls. Perhaps seeing the belt had missed a loop. जो बेल्ट लूप में से निकल गया होगा वो देख के एवरीबॉडी ने क्या सोचा होगा, वो एक्चुअली इम्पॉसिबल है मेजर करना. द डैमेज टू हिज रेपुटेशन was probably beyond the repair. That was the high school. Today when I give my seminar on motivations, I love the period when I take questions from the audience. But many times I can see the painfully adolescent looks of self-consciousness on people's face when they ponder the risk of asking this question in front of group. But many times I can see the painfully adolescent looks. Means कोई जो किशोर अवस्था का जो लुक होता है, वो लुक एक आत्ममंथन करके वो ऐसा लुक जो एक दूसरे के बाद एक संकोच अनुभव होते थे कि भाई मैं पूछूं कि ना पूछूं ऐसा. एंड थिंकिंग, शुड आई टेक अ रिस्क टू आस्क दिस क्वेश्चन. This habit of wondering more about what others think of our thoughts this habit of worrying more about what others think of our thoughts than we do our than we do about our own thinking usually begins in high school. In the high school, we do about our own thinking usually begins in the high school. High school में ये शुरू हुआ था ये सब, but it can last a lifetime. But वो अभी दूर हो सकता है, मीन्स ये लास्ट हो सकता है in in your lifetime. It is time to be aware of what we are doing and once again leave high school. It's time to reach back to those pre-high school days on innocent creativity and social fearlessness and draw on that former self and draw on that former self. By the way, I finally came up with the way to deal with the moment of silence that fill a seminar room when I ask for this question. जब मैंने क्वेश्चन पूछने का मैंने बोला तो वो पूरा रूम साइलेंट हो गया. I go to the board and make 5 circles. Then I tell the audience that I used to say in my class, if there are no questions at this point, we will take a break. People always want to take break. So there was not much incentive for asking those questions. Asking question पूछने में कोई incentive नहीं होगा. But questions are most fun part of the seminar for me. So I came up with this game. After 5 questions, we take a break. Now I find people in our audience arguing people around them to join in asking this question so we can take our break sooner. Although it's an amusing artificial way to jump, start a dialogue I'm looking for. What it really does, it take the pressure off. Actually वो क्या करता है कि वो प्रेशर थोड़ा हल्का करता है. It takes the participants out of high school. Most people don't realize how easily they can create the social fearlessness they want to have. Instead, they live like they are still teenagers, reacting to the imagined judgment of other people. Other people क्या सोचते हैं, reacting to और उस पे react करें. इसकी जगह instead live like they are still teenagers. तो आप most people don't realize how easily they can create a social fearlessness they want to have, right? Instead, they live like they are still in teenagers and reacting to imaged judgment of other people. They end up designing their lives based on what other people might be thinking about them. They end up their lives like this. A life designed by a teenager. Would you want to? Would you want one? But you can leave that mindset behind. आप वो mindset छोड़ सकते हो. You can motivate yourself by yourself without depending on the opinions of others. All it takes is the simple question, as Emerson asked, why should I why should the way I feel depend on the thoughts in someone else's head? दूसरे के दिमाग में जो थॉट्स है उसके डिपेंड में मैं क्या मैं मेरे why should the way I feel मैं ऐसा फील क्यों करूं? Thank you very much.